Alright, we're going to try a couple more shooting ideas. The side window mount was okay, but it was a bit bouncy and looking too much to the left-hand side. This time we're going to use a tripod that's mounted in my back seat. It's kind of zoomed in right now so that you don't see all the windshield artifacting. So right now we have a tripod sitting kind of in the back seat with one of the legs wedged. I already see it shaking. I don't think it's gonna work, but let's try this out. Let's just do a little spin up silica here. And in this case I'm zoomed right in, so I'm zoomed in so you don't see the rear view mirror and my head and the steering wheel. Although I might try a segment with that. So we're just going to go to Gyro Park with these settings and see how it looks. I have one of the legs of the tripod wedged in to try and help reduce the amount of bounce that's going on, but that's the biggest problem when you're filming in a vehicle is how do you deal with the bounce, because there's actually quite a bit of bounce and jitter that goes on when you're driving, and the human eye adjusts for it naturally, but a camera is not exactly a human eye. It's a close approximation, but it does see things differently than the human eye does. The human body is quite an amazing piece of architecture, or maybe that's not the right word, quite an amazing piece of biological design. There's just so many details that once you start trying to replicate body functions, such as, in this case, sight, using technology, you realize just how much extra stuff is going on besides just the act of seeing something. So this is Gyro Park, and since I don't know how this is going to look, I'm going to be short about it. For this next piece, we're gonna zoom right out. So let's set that up.